Yay! Yay! Except one motor is broken, which is not our fault. Yay! We're so good.
We don't know why it's so
One more module. Oh yeah. Okay. When you press the button, this thing moves. Yay! One more module to go. Oh, you got ours? But why is only one motor on? Check the connection nga. You're videoing? Okay, we're now changing some of the numbers because it has to be on indefinitely.
You have to email
Not,
or circle it.
okay?
Now, you can open your My Access, tell him why you want.
Someone tried to take
I
Okay.